Hey there, this is a with or without band deep curls crochet recap with your favorite expression braiding hair. If you want to see how I got to this whole look, guys, keep watching. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you. So guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I made this curly crochet wig using an expression braiding hair. As you all can see, this is the expression braiding hair. I'll be using color 27, and that's the particular wig net I'm going to be using for today's tutorial. So guys, this hair net actually came opened at the top, so I had to sew it in so I could achieve a complete seal cap. So guys, please ignore my hands, ignore it please. So on this particular day I made 2 videos and I didn't realize my hands was not okay, or I didn't wash it after I applied the hair treatment and stuff on the other wig I made earlier. So I didn't realize until after almost at the end of the video. So guys, while I was doing this recap, while I was doing the crochet, I did it the round method. You can do it whatever that suits you, but I believe when you do it round, it's actually very fast and it gives you that full kind of look, or like it gives you that density, that good quality if you want it to look full. But like I said earlier, whatever you feel comfortable at doing, just do it. So guys, that's the spiral rods I'll be using. My twist aid, you can use a soft rollers, you can use your straw, you can use your bamboo stick, whatever that's closest to you or you can afford, or like the easiest way to do it, just do it. You can equally use a thread, but I think on another video I'm going to be showing you how to use the thread to get a particular kind of coils or wave on your hair. So guys, that's how you do your twist on the spiral rods. It comes with a pin, so once you're done twisting and once you're done with the whole twist, you can put your pin maybe immediately or after you're done with the whole twist. So guys, after this I'm going to be putting it in the hot water, and mind you guys, do not put it in a very hot water because this particular hair net is different, is very soft. It can just immediately shrink once it gets into the hot water, and you know, you just want to be careful while you do that. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload any video. So I'll be using my Muse, my oil sheen, and my super gloss to get a defined look for this hair. And also it's used to, when you want to unravel or loose the hair, you could just use those things so it doesn't freeze out or start tangling. It defreezes the hair and gives it a more glossy kind of look and a more bouncy kind of look. So the mousse would also make the curls last longer, and also the oil sheen is going to make it shine. So guys, after I was done doing the hair, or the particular one I did, I realized that there was space in the front, so I went ahead to do a crochet style of this hair and then twisted it on the rods, and I'm manually applying or putting it on the net by my hands. So this is the finished look, guys. This is how it looks like. It came out exactly like what I wanted, like exactly what I had on my head, and that was why I used those 2 sets of rods. I actually used a bigger one and a slimmer one, so I have this thick look of the curls and a thinner look of the coils, you understand? So that is what I wanted. Just look at the back, but please ignore the shaking head. So I'm going to be wearing the wig right now, and I'm going to be showing you how it's going to look on the headband and without the headband. So you can actually wear this hair without headband or with headband. And also you can equally go, like if you have a very full hair, because my hair is still growing, so if you have a full hair, you can just mat your hair down, make it corn rolled, and wear your wig cap. And then you can add a comb. Yeah, you can add a comb to the wig. You can add it to the band so it doesn't fall off, or it's tighter if you want it to be tight. But trust me, with this particular wig net, you can actually wear it even on the full hair. So that's it with this look, guys. If you love this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, please join the family, comment, ask whatever question you want to ask me. I'm always going to be here to answer whatever you want me to answer. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed and stay safe.